Call me crazy, but I wanted to show you what our makeup does in the rain. It is pretty much pouring outside, and my makeup, I've been out here for about 3 minutes now, and it is not running at all. Sorry, let me wipe that off so you can see a little better. It's still all intact. That's why Younique rocks. It's awesome stuff, amazing products. I think I'm nuts and I might go inside now, but there you have it. It works. So I'm just blotting off the water here, and it is still all there, just like when I went outside.